Hello, the given question is from test series 1 and stream ion, and the question is from control system chapter test state variable analysis, and this question is 1 mark question. And the given question is, if the state matrix of a LTI continuous system is given by this matrix, A is equals to this matrix, and then we have to find the damping ratio for this from this matrix. In order to find the damping ratio of this matrix, first we have to follow these, we have to follow these steps to find the damping ratio. First is, for the given matrix we have to find the values of x1 and x2 so that we can draw the signal flow graph, and from the signal flow graph we can obtain the transfer function, and from the transfer function we can compare the transfer function with the second order system. From the second order system, we know that we have a variable damping ratio, so we can find out the damping ratio. So the given given matrix, in order to find the values of x1 and x2, that is first step, we have to solve the given matrix. So we'll obtain x1 as x2 and x2 as minus 3x1 minus 3x2. So for this value we can obtain the from these values we can draw the signal graph as shown here. So that is minus x1 from x2, and then 3x minus 3x for the x2, and another path from x1 to x2. So this is the given signal flow graph for the obtained matrix from the for the above matrix. So from this signal flow graph, using the Mason's gain formula, we can obtain the transfer function as 1 by s square by 1 by x square plus 3s. So from this equation can be compared to the second order system equation. So comparing with the second order equation, we'll obtain omega n square as 3, and from that we'll obtain omega n as root 3, and 2 eta omega n, which can be equated to 3, which is equated here, and from this equation we can obtain the eta value as root 3, that is nothing but the damping ratio, which is option A, root 3 by 2. So from this question we have learned how to find the damping ratio from the given matrix, and how to draw the signal flow graph, and how to find out the unknown values such as damping ratio or the value of omega or the value of k. Thank you.